Man, I swear that I'm a real one, I ain't never losing. And now I'm so caught they spin, but they don't never do shit. I'm in these streets, this shit is real, man, I ain't picking choosing. I gotta get rich before I die, I'm focused on the music. Man, I swear that I'm a real one, I ain't never losing. And now I'm so caught they spin, but they don't never do shit. I'm in these streets, this shit is real, man, I ain't picking choosing. I gotta get rich before I die.
Today I woke up like 30 minutes early so that I can kill my chest and tricep workout, and then I got prepared. I didn't have what did I have at home?
Pre-workout.
Not pre-workout. I had oats, but what the fuck didn't I have? Yeah, I didn't have bananas. So usually I drink oats shake in the morning, and then I eat 2 bananas like 20 minutes before hitting the gym, and I eat 1 banana in the gym. So without these bananas I feel fucking weak. So that's the reason. Yeah, today I didn't have the bananas, so I actually did not eat for the first 1.5 hours after I woke up. I drank the morning whey oat shake.
Oats shake.
Yeah, oat
Calorie
shake.
no,
Yep. Okay, by the way, here we have Ritik. I'm speaking to him. So oat shake, I had it in the morning, and then after 1 hour I had to hit the gym, and I had it by 6 a.m. and I was planning to hit by 7.
I told you yesterday itself the gym was closed.
Yeah, when he sent me the message that bro, will the gym be open tomorrow? I was about to send you a text saying ki just because you don't want to come, the gym won't be closed.
Right.
I wanted to send you that, but I was like, no bro, it's open. So I woke up, and then at 7 o'clock I had to hit the gym. I went at 7:15 only to know that it's fucking closed. They didn't tell me yesterday.
I told you, I mean.
You didn't tell, you asked me a question.
Because I wanted to confirm with you.
And I answered saying it's open.
You never answered me. Yeah.
Do you want me to fact
I'll
check
show
it?
you the.
Yeah, go check it. Go check it.
Yeah, I'm checking it. Wait.
Because I think I said yes.
No, you didn't tell me.
Or maybe I didn't reply because I didn't want to be harsh or rude.
Oh, yeah, you did.
I did, right?
Yeah.
What the fuck did I
You were
say?
like, it is there, why? You gave me a
Yeah,
confirmation.
and then I asked why also. So,
Yeah, okay, cool, yeah. I was
Fucking
mistaken.
anyways, I didn't have that fucking morning routine as I wanted. Then I had to go home and use 10 kg dumbbells to work
The
out.
workout done.
But then anyways, tomorrow I'll be hitting chest and tricep again. I'll kill it. You'll be hitting legs.
No, I didn't like this today. I told you, right? I have these weights.
Sure.
I don't believe. I actually didn't. See, those dumbbells also made up. Down.
Okay, I believe you. Okay, Ritik. Tell them about the stocks you've invested in.
Stocks I have invested in.
Yeah, a couple of stocks you put your money in. You also made some money, right?
Yeah, I mean, I invested around 15k. Over the period of 2 months, I made around 8k profit on that 15k. I
Okay.
am not doing the intraday trading or short-term stocks. I invested in a long-term stock.
Can you be a bit loud?
I invested in long-term stocks, not short-term.
Do you want to drink some water and
I'm
speak?
good.
I think you'll speak louder if you drink some water.
I'm completely good.
Okay, I'll just hold it closer.
Yeah, so I invested in long-term stocks rather than investing in short-term stocks because that is a risk playing in that field. So I invested in a less risk domain to see
Okay.
how the returns are. So I don't know. In 2 months, I have earned around 8k on the 15k which I've invested.
So I'm asking you where did you invest?
I invested in stocks which are below 100 rupees, like
Name it.
Z5, Bharat Electronics Limited, and Alok Industries, Mopen Labs, and then PNB Bank. Yeah, that's it. Tata Motors also.
How long has it been since you started investing in stocks?
In these stocks.
Yeah.
say like 2.5, 3 months.
Did you learn anything just by investing? Did you learn anything out of that experience?
See, I learned that the investment, I was more inclined towards mutual funds before. I learned that stocks are more feasible and more profit gaining than mutual funds in
One
the long
second,
run,
sorry.
especially in this pandemic time where all the mutual funds have gone down. I feel stocks are a better place to invest. And then I learned a lot about companies, different companies, the financial statements, their recent trends or news of where they're investing or what they're going about. That's it. And yeah, I earned money. So yeah.
You know, you were like one of. In yesterday's video, I was telling 3 consecutive people I met who were speaking about stocks. You were like that first person who was like, bro, it's high time, you have to.
I mean, I never thought that stocks would be that interesting. When I started practicing it daily, I found it to be very interesting. I mean, it's not as boring as people say. It's just you just have to sit for 1 hour, go through all the financials, and put in your money and wait.
I'm definitely going to do that. I opened up an account in Zerodha, and I told you, right?
Yeah, you told
the
me.
number
Yeah,
had to
that
be
card, yeah.
linked, so I need to go to that office.
I
and
think
get
that won't
it
be a
done.
problem. I mean, you just talk to them.
Yeah.
It's a good time to invest because right now a lot of stocks are booming up and a lot of falling down as well. But if you choose the right stocks, you can earn.
Definitely. Yesterday also, my friend was telling some stock of Reliance, which
Yeah,
he was
I
telling me you've got to
have to
look
see,
into
yeah.
it.
Surely.
I
will
asked
do
him
it.
once he tells me that name.
Yeah, you
I'll let
let
you
me
know.
know. I'll just look into it.
Apart from that, how is your 75 hard challenge going? Which day are you on?
I'm like, I guess it's my 42nd day today.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going well, I should say. I broke it off in the middle when I was in the 12th day or something. So I had to start it all over again.
Why did you break it off?
There was some festival, bro. I don't know. I ate some sweets that were made.
Let me guess, after you ate that, you were like, fuck this shit, and you ate like a pig.
Yeah, I binged that whole day, bro. I mean, I was binging everything.
Lol.
So then I had to start it all over again. Or else I would have been like 55th or 52nd, I guess.
Same, even when I broke the 10th day, right? With the picture.
Yeah. You
Immediately-
broke it with a smaller factor, bro.
But still, bro, the 10 days, now I have only 14 days left. Now imagine 4
Yeah,
days
yeah,
left,
yeah.
bro. That's just.
I know, but 14 is a very short period of time, bro. I have like 30
Of
days
course,
left.
of course.
33 days left.
When gyms opened, this Harsh guy used to come and fuck around saying, ki, bro, day 38 or 58 days there or 50 days there. He used to fuck around like this. But now I feel happy, it's just 14
Bro,
days.
now it's easier as Corona and a lot of places are closed and you're not
Fuck
eating
no.
outside.
No, everything is open, man.
But you're careful, right? You won't order from outside unless
Shut
it
the
is-
fuck up. If
yeah.
it's tasty, you would order.
I wouldn't order.
I would 100% order.
wouldn't order.
The day the 75 hard challenge ends, I already have everything written down.
Oh.
Where exactly will I go and eat? Oh my god, that entire
Yeah, by then
day
I'm-
is dedicated to eating.
By then, hopefully, everything will come under control. Probably.
I don't care. I am going to eat.
Cool.
I am going to eat everything, man. Oh. Did you plan something?
If I plan it right now, I'm sure I'll break it again in between. I have 35 days more.
Mhm.
So let me reach
So-
there in peace.
So, what have you, included in your diet which would, help you with that craving? Some
Craving
food
for
item which you have included, which would kind of, be like, okay, this is kind of a replacement, alternative to that fucking craving.
Bro, I eat paneer 200 grams every day.
Okay.
So I make it into different. No, I don't make it. My mom makes it
Mhm.
into different kind of curry or dry or whatever.
Mhm.
So she makes it into tasty curries. She makes tasty gravies for it.
Mm-hmm.
And I eat 4 chapatis
Mm-hmm.
with ghee.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So there. it
Oh,
covers
I
it.
remember, dude. I ate this if you remember.
Yeah,
Like before.
On my birthday, I guess.
Yeah. Oh fuck that
Yeah,
day!
yeah.
I ate so much.
Such kind of paneer curries she makes every day. So I eat 200 grams in the night. I'm cool.
Tasty, man. I have to
Yeah,
tell you,
yeah,
it was
yeah,
tasty as fuck.
And yeah, sweet cravings. I mean, I don't know. I have that almond milk.
Oh my god, that is the
Yeah,
best thing,
chocolate
man.
one.
Best fucking thing. So good, right?
Yeah, it's amazing. I
The
love
brand's
it.
name,
Yeah,
the
yeah,
company's name is so good.
so good, yeah,
And it's
actually
it's
so good,
actually
yeah.
fucking good. So
I
good
use it.
almond milk plus 1 scoop plus
I
1
don't
cup
usually-
oats.
So
Best fucking shake you'll ever drink in your life, which will be like so fucking healthy. It's like my morning coffee, man. Without that, it cannot function.
my morning coffee is the pre-workout.
The other day, like I ran out of oats in the morning, so I was like, fuck I was getting irritated as fuck. Then I went out for my morning 45-minute walk, and then I went near Ratnadeep. It was 6:45.
Yeah, doing
I
workout.
think they were like 7:30. I sat in front of the store for like 45 minutes, and then I took the oats, and then I went home.
Dedication, yeah.
That shake
Morning
is like
rituals,
addiction.
some
I need it.
something stick with you.
It is so tasty. I can't miss it, man. That's like one of the only tasty meals I'll get in a day. If I miss on that, it's so annoying.
You even include Nutella right now, no? So you're lucky enough to.
Who's including Nutella?
Peanut butter, sorry, chocolate peanut butter.
Who's doing chocolate creamy, bro? That is
Nutella creamy, creamy chocolate. No.
creamy
Oh, that
chocolate,
one.
bro. That thing which
Okay,
drips.
jelly one, no, yeah, shit. Okay.
You should watch my video, yesterday's video. I show that thing dripping.
Okay, I understood which one you're talking about. Fuck,
Yeah, so I'm dealing with that.
that's a bad choice.
Ante, it's like, sometimes I'll eat it with important caller.
I don't know who's calling, so no number.
Sometimes I'll eat that peanut butter with roti, or sometimes I'll eat it with, bread.
Yeah, bread is a better choice. I
And
think.
I'll add banana in both. So, that will give me a little sweet taste.
So you eat what, like 5 bananas per day?
5 to 6.
Damn.
Banana is my sweet craving replacement, man. It fucking helps. Banana, whey protein.
Yeah, whey protein actually. That
Oh,
shake itself is a replacement for a sweet dessert.
exactly.
Stick shake.
Oh, it's tasty as fuck. Anyways, I need to go eat my second dinner. Bread and butter. Bye.
Peanut butter.